everyone, and welcome back. This is video 2 of 4 today, and I will tell you, like I did in the last video, in case you missed it, it was my Ipsy Glam bag. I'm tired. It's been like officially 24 hours since my second COVID shot. My arm's kind of sore, my body kind of aches, but I really wanted to persevere and get these 4 videos edited in time so that you guys can see them this week. And this is one of those peculiar things. So Ipsy does these flash sales. If you ever got Ipsy stuff, you know about them. And then they do like limited edition bags. I don't know what I got. It's like 3 bags. We're just gonna like look at them and see what we got in them. They kind of mixed them all in one bag. So this is my add-on bag. It's got 3 different bags in it. I think one of them was like a limited edition spring bag, and one was like a limited edition winter bag, and one of them might have been last month's bag. I don't know. So, but I threw them in the cart, so everything in here is kind of jam-packed. I don't really know what goes with what, but I will show you the 3 bags and everything that I got. So, when they do the flash sales, Ipsy actually like puts up old glam bags, and they're like $14. So if you get them every month, they're 15. I don't know. The words fail. They're 12, and if you get them during the pop-up sales, or you pop in and you pick one up, they're 14. So they're $2 more. Sometimes they're worth it, sometimes they're not. So this was the winter limited edition bag. It's got like a bracelet thingy here. I kind of like it. This was last month's bag, which I'm not really sure how this one got in there. I thought all 3 were limited editions, but that's okay. I'm good with it. And then the last one was the spring bag, which looks like this, and I kind of like it. It's got like little flowers, got a little pretty thing here. So, there's stuff in those 2, but not the first one, so we're just going to dive in. Like I said, I don't know what goes with what, but each bag should have at least 5 items. But I got a lot more stuff than 5 items in the bag. So, like, this one's completely empty. So we're going to go through 5 items with that bag, and then we'll go on to the next and the next and see what I'm left over with. So, in that, we're going to do one of the masks. I have a 3-in-2, but it's a hyaluronic gummy modeling mask. It says intensive moisturizer and firming action, and it has a spatula to help you put it on. I've never tried these, so that'll be interesting. And you got 2, so that's one item. The next item we'll go with is this brush by Suva Beauty. With this, you got like no list, so I don't know the price of any of these and no description, so we're just kind of winging it. So this is what the brush looks like. It's really kind of nice and fluffy. So that is another one off item that I got. Got like all this stuff laying here. So we'll say that's item number 2. Item number 3 for that bag we'll say is this, and it's R & Co. Waterfall Moisturizing Shine Lotion. I believe this is for your hair. Yeah, it's for your hair. Apply to wet hair and blow dry or let dry naturally. We will check that out, and I will definitely try to do like the R & Co. Shampoo and conditioner. Even though my hair is a mess, that's exactly what I use. And I have like their like scalp treatment and a bunch of other stuff. So I will be willing to give that a try. That's number 3 item. Number 4 item we'll go with is this, and this is by Raga, and it's Hydra Filler Pro Youth Moisturizing Cream. I don't really know what this is. It's probably for your face. Probably for your face. So I will put that over there. And then one more item. we will say is this one, and it's Eco Clean Fab Recycling Package US Beauty something. And it doesn't really give me a whole lot. It does talk about the ingredients on the back. It says that it is nothing, like there's nothing that it describes. Inside it says that it is the color Camella. I'm going to go with that it's probably an eyeshadow. It's really a pretty eyeshadow, so that's nice. And it looks like this is like magnetized, and you could probably like take it out. I don't know. So we'll say that is the first bag. For the second bag, we'll just hop into this and see what's in here. It feels like there's two tubes. One is by Code Age, and it's a mask, micro peel mask. I don't really know a whole lot about that company. I'm pretty sure that it is a micro peel mask. The next item is by Ico, and it's Rock Out and Lash Mascara. It's alright. I mean, I've tried it before. It's got a nice sized wand. Let's see if I can focus. So, just a little like purse-sized little mascara. And this is by Doshi. And it says it's a highlighter in the color Listen. So let's pop into that and see what that looks like. Oh. Wait, how do you pop into this? Oh. So that's a really pretty color for a highlighter, or if you want to use it for an eyeshadow, I guess you could do it for either one. We'll check out the pigment real quick. I'm going to have like freaking tons of crap everywhere from all my videos. I'm sorry. So that is what it looks like. It's kind of skin colored, but it's kind of a nice color. The next item we'll go ahead and say is this one, and it is makeup removers from Morphe. These are kind of nice. There's 30 whites in them. So that's a thing. And the last item we will say is by Firma, and it says 212. It's sure it's a little brush, just like putting on eyeshadow or what have you. So that's nice. So that's 5 items. So we'll set that bag aside. And the last one we'll go through is the Winter Edition one. Now this bag had more in it, so the first item I'm pulling out is by Sugar, and it's just a black eyeliner. I'm not going to open each of these. The next item I'm pulling out is some bubble wrap, and it is by the Body Core. I feel like I had this. I did already have this. This is in the color Hollow. It's a really pretty color. I have tried it before. Let's see if I can get it open. So it looks like this, and I will swatch it on the same hand as the last one with the highlighter, and then I'll have to wash my hand. So it's that, and it's really shiny. It really doesn't have much of a pigment, but like purple. The next item in here is by Preventative Measures, and it says After Hours Lip Balm. I am so tired. So that's 3 items. The 4th item is by Pacifica, and it says it is a matte blush and bronzer in Desert Sunset. So I'm kind of interested to see what this one looks like. Oh, that is nice colors. And then there's a mirror on the back, so that's nice. Put that in your purse and go. And that is it in the bag. That was 4 items. And then the last item is there's 2 collagen melting web masks. I've never tried these, but I'm good with giving it a try. And that is all the items that I got in the 3 Edition Bags. So yeah, I mean, it's kind of nice stuff. I'm surprised that there was nothing in this one bag. Like, it's just like they threw everything in there. But I think that was a good array of products. Let me know what you think. Leave some descriptions in the comments. Do you feel like that was worth $14 a piece? So that means I spent $30, $40 some dollars. $42 plus tax and shipping. I think was free on those items. I don't know if that was $40 worth of items, but overall, not bad. I am going to cut this video short. Make sure you check out the links in the description. As always, like and comment and subscribe. That's how I know what's going on in your world. And I heart your face. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.